Welcome to the Game Goats YouTube channel. Okay, so today we have a tutorial video for you guys, and we are going to be teaching you how to play.
We're going to be teaching you how to play Trouble.
Yes, Trouble. So before I get into the actual tutorial, I just wanted to mention something. If go back, watch the ERS tutorial. One of the rules we looked up the official bicycle rules, and it said that when a royalty is played, that if you do not play another royalty within the allotted chance, then the person that played the royalty gets the pile. So it didn't go into much detail about the allotted chance. It really didn't go into any detail. So we assumed that the allotted chance meant you have one chance to play another royalty. But after doing further internet research, we have found that the actual rules are if somebody plays an ace, you have 4 chances to play another royalty, king 3 chances, queen 2 chances, and jack 1 chance.
Yeah.
So now that we have that cleared up, now we can get into the actual tutorial. Okay, so like we said, we are going to be teaching you how to play Trouble.
This is a 2 to 4 player game.
Yes, 2 to 4 players, and how you're going to set up is everybody is going to pick a color. So there is red, green, yellow, blue, and then you will set your pegs of that color on the spaces and the home base. So as you see, there's a red home base, a green home base. I don't know if you can see the yellow and blue ones, but yes, there is 4 home bases. So that's where you're going to set them up. Then, to see who goes first, you are going to, there's this pop-o-matic dice thing, and you're going to, if you pop it, it will roll the dice for you.
Whoever gets higher gets to go first.
Yeah, so I rolled a 5, Jonah rolled a 4. Since I rolled the 5, it's higher, I go first. So I am red, Jonah is green. So what I will do is I will roll, so I roll a 4. Now, because I roll a 4, it skips, my turn ends. Because on your first turn, before, you have to roll a 6 basically. Because to get a peg out of your home base, you have to roll a 6, and then it will go to its start position. Now, if you roll a 6, so let's try to get a 6. 6. So let's say I did roll a 6. Now I go to the start. Now I go to my start space, the red start,
to pop again,
and I get to pop again. So a 2. So because I bring it out, and then I get to go 2 spaces. Now it would be Jonah's turn. So he got a 6. So then he'd get to go to the start. Then he'd get to pop again. So let's say he pops a 4. So he goes 4 spaces.
But let's say Thatcher were to get a couple spaces and then collide with me. I would go back to the home base and vice versa.
Yeah, so what you're going to do is once you get out of your home base and you get onto the start, so yes, you are going to go clockwise around the circle. So once you get to the start, you're going to go clockwise around the circle. Once you cannot go around twice unless you get, like Jonah said, collide with an opponent's thing, which you have to do it. So if like an opponent is, let's say my opponent was here and they got a 1 and then they collided with me, I'd go back to start. But let's say I were right here and Jonah was right here and I got a 2, then Jonah would go back to start. Now, you will keep going around clockwise like we said, and until you get to a spot where you go into these 4 finish things. So I'm red, so I will go into the red finish space. So I go around until I get to it. Now, so if I were to get into it, so let's say I were right here and I got like a 3. Then I go to right here and my peg would stay and it will not move again, and it's safe. It cannot go back to home. Then let's say another one of my pegs got to here and got a 3. Let's say it was right here and it got a 3. it could not move because because 2 pegs cannot collide, and you're 2 pegs. I'm red, so my red pegs cannot collide. So therefore, if I didn't have any out of home and I was right here and I got a 3, my turn would end because I didn't have any eligible moves. Now, but let's say I was right here and I got a 2, then I'd get to stay right there, and the winner of the game is when all 4 pegs get into the home space. Now, the thing is though, is it has to be exact. So let's say I was right here and I had to get right here. I couldn't roll a 5 and then just stop after 4 moves. You have to move the entire distance to get into the finish. So if I were to be right here and I would have 3 pegs already in, then and I rolled a 5, my turn would end because I wouldn't have any eligible moves. So that wraps it up, right? I feel like we got all the rules. Another rule that you can do is if you're only playing with 2 players, each player can take 2 sets of pegs and use them. But other than that, I think this tutorial is good. So, yeah. So, we hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Just remember, comment down below what videos you want to see next. Share with your friends, yes. Subscribe.
And hit that notification button so that you can stay updated with all our new content.
And just remember, keep on gaming.